So according to the plans, the cabinet doors look like they need to be shaker style. So let's get making them. I'm using some 3/4 pine here for the rails and the stiles. So first I'll split these boards to make them the appropriate size. I'm using 6mm hard ply for the panels. So I'm just machining the grooves in here on the table saw. Creating some tenons at the end of each of the rails, and these will fit into the grooves that we've machined. Cut the tenons to length. Track saw on the MFT to cut the panels. And we have all the rails and all the stiles and all the panels. The usual quick test fit. Time to sand. I'm just going to pre-finish the panels before glue up. And stain the rails and the stiles this light rosewood colour. Once everything's dried, it's glue up time. Just using a homemade story stick to ensure the hinges are in the consistent place on each door. Euro hinges, so it's break out the hinge jig from Craig. using the same story stick to mark out the other part of the hinge onto the cabinet. Well, we need some handles for those doors, so it's onto the lathe. I found this online. It's well, for positioning sort of handles and like a drill jig, to be honest. It's very handy. I mean, it costs next to nothing. I'll put the link either down below or
at the top about where I got it from. I mean, even if you don't use it, at least you get a sort of 12-inch ruler, that sort of 0 in the middle, working either side for centering things. So it's a imperial on one side, metric on the other. I mean, handy little gadget. Makes positioning holes for handles and that very easy. It comes in a little case to boot as well. I've also moved the whiteboard that was there, and that's created a space down there. Of course, I've got something new coming in the next few weeks. The whiteboard is on my bench at the moment. I'm going to put it up there, and then that's where the lathe used to be, but obviously the lathe's now in the sanding room. Just under bottom of the cabinets, just to give it a little bit more security, I've just added battens along the bottom, a little bit extra support. I don't know if you can see how it swings out at the end. Well, when I put the fifth cabinet in the line, it swung out even further, probably towards the edge of the vacuum is there. So we only put 4. The wall's just like a banana, so we've got 4 cabinets. And the other cabinets that were there have gone. I've moved one here, and also moved 2 more here. That's got a bit of safety gear in, plenty of vacant space, and here the music system. Always got to have a music system in a workshop. And where's the 5th cabinet? If you wondered where the 5th cabinet went, it's gone in the sanding room in the corner.